phone saying that she really want it. Shawty too bad and she cute, might make her and my little pony. Shawty shit, I booty to you, never can stop. Yeah, don't stop, don't drop, man, let me see you rock. Yeah, if a nigga want a ticket with him, I'ma hit him with the Glock. Shawty sucking on my dick and she know that she can't stop. Shawty shaking that ass, I told her, let me see her rock. Shawty, let me see her rock, baby, don't stop. Shawty too damn bad, she doing TikToks. Shawty told me that she really wanna drink. I can't trust this girl no more, she tryna grab the clip. Now she really tryna go ahead and beat up on the dick. She really wanna pull it out like, hold up, wait, it just slipped. That nigga DW saying that he the shit. My nigga, you're not the shit. But my nigga, you can take a shit. My nigga talking to me, nigga, know that he a bitch. Yeah, I really pull up on a nigga, hit the nigga with the clinch. Shawty drop down on your knees, don't make it sound. Shawty drop down on your knees, don't make it sound. Shawty drop down on your knees, don't make it sound. Shawty drop down on your knees, don't make it sound. Shawty drop down on your knees, don't make it sound. If a nigga wanna talk, nigga, we can be loud. Shawty told me to the road and she